Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is sombre. It is pronounced sombre and spelt S-O-M-B-R-E. Think som, the letter B, and then R-E. Sombre means someone or something that is gloomy, serious, and melancholic. You could use it to describe something lacking cheer or brightness. For example, you could say the sky was sombre and dark before the storm, or the story was sombre and had a tragic ending. The word sombre comes from the French word sombre, which means dark or gloomy. It's the same as the meaning in English. In the Disney movie, Coco, they travel to the land of the dead. This place is depicted as sombre, but also full of the memories and traditions of its inhabitants. Synonyms for sombre are gloomy, serious, and melancholic. Antonyms for sombre include cheerful, bright, and light-hearted. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, sombre. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.